Welcome to the Tech News Fix It channel, and this is to all of those out there that have an Android device. There's a app that has been has become malicious. A app by Lavabird Limited called Barcode Scanner recently had an update, and now is actually distributing malware on all devices. So the app has been removed on the Google Play Store, but it is installed on it had over 10 million installs. So this is a major app, and a lot of people got it. It is important to know that this is now become a malicious app and should be removed from your device as fast as you can. So it's kind of, a lot of people are wondering exactly why and how this could have happened, but it happens from time to time that we get these information about apps that were downloaded hundreds of thousands of times, and sometimes, like in this case, millions of times. And for some reason, they haven't seen that there is a malicious code in it. Or in this case, it seems to be an update that has integrated malicious code into the app. So it's very weird. So if you have Barcode Scanner by Lavabird Limited, you need to uninstall this because it could cause some problems on your devices. And this is, of course, for Android tablets and Android phones. Make sure that you just take this away. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.